yan na ako, Makina Moto Expo. So may tatak na ako, ibig sabihin may bayad na. At 150 ang entrance, okay di ba? Let's go, pasok tayo. Wow. Okay, nandito lahat. Ang Makina Moto Show 2025. Nandito lahat yung mga bagong model ng 2025 mga motor. Yan. Makikita nyo umpisa natin. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako mag-uumpisa. Ay, si Sir Sak.
Step right up to the Ducati booth as the program will begin in just a few minutes. Calling all the media.
Alright, and then after this.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So nice to meet you. I've been watching you from here. Thank you so much. I saw it over there. I saw it over there.
Okay, siya yung nag-sponsor dito. I mean, nag-ano ng event na to. Sir Sak, Makina Moto. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako mag-uumpisa, guys. Ang dami mga bagong mga motor. Ayan o, kagaya niyan mga scooter. Grabe, ang dami pa. Lilibutin pa natin lahat. At saka mga mura dito, mga apparels ha. Asin. Yan o. Kukunan natin yung mga model ng bawat brand. Ay, dami nilang model. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula ulit. Yun o. Yun o.
It's a better bike. That's pretty much it. 80% difference from the old. It's completely new, refined, better bike.
Is it something that you would consider adding to your garage?
Oo naman.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Zach Lucera. Congratulations once again, of course, to Makina 2025. TJ?
Yeah, well, what's super nice about these, the first of the two bikes that we're gonna launch is that these two bikes actually share the same engine. So later we're gonna talk a little bit about the new Panigale as well. But what's really nice about it, that's unbelievably incredible way to increase the bike. Everything is all new, so it's really fantastic.
Yung emblem, bago din yun.
Yung emblem pa lang same na.
Sa mga pinakamagandang Chinese brand ata to eh, CF Moto. So nagagaya na nila yung mga branded na motor kagaya ng mga ganyan, no? Ito, parang BM, di ba? So, magkano? 700 MT pala to. Dito 6th gear Ayan, oh. Meron dito yung mga kwan ng... wala lang. May kape pala. Okay, mamaya punta tayo. Parts ng... Ito, ano to? Yes. Mga mura to mura. Yung mga ganitong event, mas mura ang mga gears.